Okay kids, Papa here. It's still summer, and I hate it when it's not summer. Look, this is almost not video worthy. Almost. Because it's just a very simple chicken we're gonna grill. But it gives me a chance to talk to you about different things with chicken and stuff. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna light my Santa Maria grill, my little Santa Maria. Now I spent 25 years in San Luis Obispo. All I cooked on was Santa Maria style. And it's using coals and a breeze, so it's kind of natural convection. What we're going to do similar to Santa Maria style is just hit it with Little Louis, which is a seasoned garlic pepper. That's all we want. Look, it's so easy. I've just trimmed the breasts up. I'm going to flip them over. And that concludes the inside part of our video. Here we go. But we're going to put on the Santa Maria, and I'll explain the style and the technique you use when you're doing a Santa Maria. And I'll see you outside when we put them on the grill. Today I was having to use coals because I didn't even have any fresh oak, but it's fine because I really want the coals because I don't want that much smoke on it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll come visit them in about 20 minutes. Now, one of the things when you're cooking Santa Maria, you want to feel the coals. Now, some guys that are talking South American, they go to 8. I go to 5. Under here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. My hand's just getting too hot. So we're going to let this sit here for about 20 minutes. We'll probe it, see where we are, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's check the temperature. Almost looking good though. Okay, now we're going to do a little trick that they don't show you in Santa Maria. About 10 degrees away from Nirvana. So let me use that kind of like an oven, the dome. We'll be right back. Okay, let's check the temperatures. 158 to about 162. 161 coming off. 162 coming off. And perfection. There it is. Some chicken. Okay, dinner served. With these 2 beautiful plates. We're going to come in a load of crispy hash browns. And I'm saying crispy. I like crispy hash browns. And let's put some of this corn. Now look, I snuck something on the corn while you guys weren't looking. I just put a little bit of crumbled cotija cheese. Now, I don't want to make it street corn, but I wanted something to counteract the sweetness. I need a spatula for this. Hey, I'm pretty happy with this. This is a pretty great dinner. A little Santa Maria chicken, little hash browns, and Big Papa's summer corn.